Hello, and welcome to a fresh unboxing of a Pulselabz gaming chair. Pulselabz is a Canadian-based company with the mission of providing the best quality gaming chairs at an affordable price. Inside this box, we will find the Pulselabz Guardian. This is one of 3 series. As we open the box, we will remove all items to prepare for assembly. Once we have everything removed, we will put on some soft gloves and grab our tool needed to build. These items will come included. When first beginning to build, you will notice the screws needed are placed on the side of the back piece, as well as the bottom of the chair. Casting is a manufacturing process in which a liquid material is poured into a mold, which contains a hollow cavity of the desired shape, and then allowed to solidify. Every chair is built using high-density cast-molded foam as cushioning, making it the perfect fit to the frame of the chair. The structure of the chair is made of steel. This allows the product to be high in strength while using elastic bands for added support on the back and the seat rest. All chairs carry a strong, lightweight 5-star base, as well as wheels designed with polyurethane coating to provide a better surface for gliding and prevent scratches. The armrest is featured through all of the series and offers a 3-directional adjustment that makes it easy to remain comfortable through all tasks. It is also made of padded cushion to help relieve stress. The durable pistons in these chairs are a class 4 and can support up to 400 pounds. All chairs come with an adjustable backrest, allowing you to maximize on your potential level of comfort. The Pulselabz series comes in various styles and colors, offering a wide selection of options for your comforting needs. From a Canadian company with the mission of providing the best quality gaming chairs at an affordable price, we thank you for watching this video.